Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is St. Patrick's Day today, so hence the green shirt. I don't generally wear green, but I figured with St. Patrick's Day that I would wear green to work today. So today also our green Target box, not intentional, maybe it is because it's March. So today is going to be our Target March beauty box. This is a $7 box. It is not a subscription. You do need to go and check the website every month to see what is in this box. I absolutely love this box. For any of you that follow me and watch my videos, you know that I get a lot of boxes. This box I love because I get it for $7, well, cheaper because I have a red card, so I get like 5% off of it. But it's always so good. There's so many good products in there for so cheap. So you can't beat it. I suggest this box to everybody. This box is so heavy this month. I don't know what's in it. I haven't seen. I am mad about a BoxyCharm thing. I have not got my BoxyCharm. It's super late. And I already know that Cover FX palette is in there. And I'm super mad because I didn't want to know that. Anyway, back to Target. Sorry. So today is our Target box. This is what it looks like when you open it. Nice little green card with the yellow background. And it says March into Spring. If you spent your winter hibernating and sipping hot cocoa, you're not alone. No shame in our game. But now that the days are getting longer and the weather's getting warmer, it's time to get glowing stat. To the rescue, our box of beauty finds that help you march into spring in a more radiant than ever. Alright, so this is I don't know, this is new. So this is like a coupon to use the Target app, and you have to scan the barcode, and this is a $3 purchase. It's the same coupon, just a different way of going about it. So, okay, anyway, so this is what the box looks like, and then you open it up. Come on, that's why it's heavy. Several things in there for $6 or $7. Come on. On the back of my card, it does say what's in the box. So we'll go ahead and get started. So this is a Shea Moisture Soothing Toner and Hydrating Mist. I'm not very great with toners, but I'm trying to get them into my beauty routine. So this says Shea Moisture Matcha Green Tea and Probiotics Soothing Toner and Hydrating Mist. Antioxidants and matcha green tea help hydrate and soothe redness, while nourishing probiotics restore balance to the skin to fight future flare-ups. Okay, well, this looks like it'll be a lot easier to use and to incorporate. It does have a green tea smell. I'll definitely, and it says with milk thistle. So there's quite a bit in here, 2 fluid ounces. I really like it. Okay, so we'll give that a try. Maybe I can get a toner into my routine since I'm not good at that. All right, so this is incorporated as one, I believe. Let's see. Yes, so this is one item, which is awesome because that's shampoo and conditioner. They have their little things on the top so that it doesn't leak out, which is, I love. I bought my mom these for Christmas, and she uses them every single day. She loves them. We have gotten a deodorant from this company. They send a lot of this in the Target box, but this is great. I love this. I will, I'm not going to save this for travel. I'm going to put this in my shower. So this is Love Beauty and Planet Smooth and Serene Argan Oil and Lavender Conditioner. Anti-frizz formula infused with golden argan oil and French lavender, soothes strands and nourishes hair for healthy looking locks. Great products. 3 fluid ounces and 3 fluid ounces. Shampoo, conditioner. Nice. All right, so next is another Shea Moisture product. Oh, great. Oh, wow. All right, I've not seen this before, but this is a silicone-free Miracle Styler leave-in treatment. Innovative blend of sugarcane and nourishing botanicals leave tresses tangle-free so strands are manageable and luxurious. Okay, I love leave-ins. I use them all the time. Oh, it smells good too. Every single time I get out of the shower, I am putting a leave-in on my hair. Every time. Never fails. Okay, so it's got a little safety lock on there to close and open it. That's kind of cool. I've never seen that before. So, I like the pump. The pump is awesome. Oh, I don't like the way it sprays though. Kind of sprays. Can you see that? It's like a line. I don't know. I guess maybe by doing it like that and then put it in your hair. Maybe that's why. I don't know. It smells good. Oh, God. I love this box. You guys know I love this box. Can I say it again? I love this box. I'm sorry. I know. I'm stupid. All right. So the next item is a foil packet. However, well, you know what? I mean, I don't know if you consider it a foil packet or not. I may get more than one use out of this. This is a replenish mask. Botanical blend of pomegranate and chamomile oil gives strands a surge and intense hydration, leaving locks soft. So this is a hair mask, sulfate-free cleansing system for color-treated hair. Apply generous amount to wet hair, massage from roots to end, leave in for an additional 3 to 5 minutes for deeper conditioning. Rinse thoroughly. No need for a conditioner. I use hair masks almost every single time because, I mean, I don't think, well, maybe you can tell on the camera. My hair is dry. It has seen its days of coloring, so it's pretty dry. So I use a hair mask almost every single time I'm in the shower. And I just put it on after I wash my hair, put it on, let it sit, and do everything else that I have to do in the shower, and then I rinse it off. So I will probably use this tonight. Thank you. All right, and it looks like there's one more thing in the box, and it is covered, so I'm going to try to undo that really quick so you can see it. Then I get to go to work on St. Patrick's Day. Yay! It's not a big deal. I'm only there a couple hours, so it's okay. All right, so this is another Bliss. We love Bliss. I love Bliss. It is Rose Gold Rescue Gentle Foaming Cleanser. Rose water extract acts as a natural astringent, gently removing excess oil and grime, while Rose Gold Shimmer gives skin a subtle glow. All right, so another face wash. Oh, it smells good. And I love Bliss. I love Bliss products. Not quite high-end, but it is not quite drugstore, I guess. I mean, that's just how I put it. And this is 1 ounce. Good enough to try. So, to recap, because I do need to get to work, and I will be filming again, hopefully tomorrow. My BoxyCharm better be here. It's taking too long. I'm getting upset. So, the shampoo conditioner, the toner spray, the face wash, the hair mask, and the leave-in conditioner. All for $6 and change. $7 if you do not have a red card. It is so worth it. I know you guys probably get sick and tired of hearing me say over and over again to get the Target box. But out of all of my boxes that I get, that one is my favorite. Hands down, because of the cost and the amount of product that you get, that is my favorite box. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for coming and seeing. I hope I've informed you enough to persuade you to get the Target box. I am not sponsored by any means. Good grief, I'm still brand new. I just love the box. So I want to pass that on to you guys so you can see the deals that you can get. So anyway, I'm going to work. I want to wish you guys to have a fantastic day, and I will see you in my BoxyCharm video. Don't forget to pinch anybody that's not wearing green today. I know we're like little children again, but it is St. Patrick's Day, and let's have fun. Because you know what? If you can't have fun in life, then what's the deal? Who cares? Anyway, guys, have a fantastic day. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.